Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC40 versus Tesla Model 3. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, from driving dynamics to interior comforts. This comparison will help you understand which electric vehicle better suits your lifestyle and preferences. We'll cover everything from acceleration and range to infotainment and practicality, giving you a comprehensive overview of these popular electric options. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model 3 performance is incredibly quick, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds. The Volvo XC40 Recharge twin motor also offers brisk acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. For range, the Model 3 long range can achieve up to 363 miles on a single charge, while the XC40 Recharge single motor offers up to 293 miles. Both vehicles support DC fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups on the go. Inside, the Tesla Model 3 boasts a strikingly minimalist design, with most controls integrated into its large 15.4-inch central touchscreen. The Volvo XC40 Recharge presents a more conventional yet modern cabin, featuring a 9-inch center display and Google built-in services. Both vehicles prioritize safety with advanced driver assistance systems. The XC40 Recharge offers a generous 57.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo space, while the Model 3 provides 24 cubic feet, including a convenient front trunk. Considering value, the Tesla Model 3 generally has a lower starting price, around $44,130, making it an attractive option for many. The Volvo XC40 Recharge, starting around $53,745 for the single motor, offers a premium SUV experience. Both provide excellent electric driving, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw performance and range or a more traditional, versatile SUV feel. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.